Keep what you got. Are you okay?
I got it.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Okay. We got what we got.
We need hands. We need hands. We need hands.
Two magazines. Make sure you check them.
Guys, I'm gonna have to let go whoever doesn't have hands. She's got them. Legs. Get legs.
Let's on your hands. Quit bracing your hands.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Listen. Feed it that his arm up.
Feed this hand.
Guys, no, stop. Slow down. Slow down. We're good. We can roll his arm up that way. Hey.
Get the my leg. That's right.
We're gonna roll your leg. Hey,
Stop.
we're gonna roll your arm up.
Stop.
No,
Hey,
listen.
one at a time, talk.
We're going to roll your arm up. You're going to put your hand behind your back. If you keep resisting, you run the risk of getting hurt. Do you understand?
Do you understand?
I just said I.
Roll him back.
Damn.
Got two. Roll him over just a little bit. Here, pin that arm. I'm gonna come to the other side.
Hold up, bro.
Alex.
I got it.
What's wrong with you?
Pin that hand.
You.
Logan, I'm coming around you.
All right.
But stop, brother.
Okay.
Yeah,
You got it? Hold on. Can they hold up traffic?
I got this arm. Let's go. There we go. Now cuff.
We're still fighting there. We got one security.
Let's roll.
Make sure he's not
There you go. Good job.
Had a Glock.
10.186
Bro, let go of me. What the fuck am I doing?
You're not in charge here.
You ain't in
You wanted to act up. This is what happened.
Let me tell y'all this shit trying to punch a bitch
You wanted to act up. This is what you did.
Why the hell we paying for shit we ain't got to pay for? Y'all need to be arresting the government.
You have this.
Yes.
Hold that.
You're good.
What the hell you got gloves for?
Can you search him?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Y'all ain't doing shit for the community for real. Y'all are wasting up air. Ain't doing shit for the environment.
Flip him.
Here. Here we go.
Where's the magazines come from?
They grab
Man,
Yeah.
they just come out. But it's clear ain't nothing on me. Y'all knew that when y'all grabbed me. What y'all searching for?
Hey, we're gonna roll you over and we're gonna sit you up.
Who needs that money?
There you go. Sit him up.
You might
Sit him up.
All right, let's start taking them
Ready?
out.
Which one do you want to go?
Let's take them to the office car first.
the hell it is.
Got a slipper? Where's his other
My
slipper?
slipper.
Just behave yourself and walk.
Listen to yourself when you talk.
I need a witness. Like, how did this all start, you know?
I think it's very quick, Ron. I'll get you people right now.
So what happened is he came blowing through the TSA. I was on X-ray, and then Rick Rod was over here, and the guy that was on the mag, Rick was like, no, he has to go back. He has to go back.
Right.
And then Rick came over onto this side, and then the guy kept pushing through, and then Rick just kind of did this and held him. And that's when I was hollering OBD,
Okay.
and male supervisor.
So can I get statements from you? Can I get statements from you and Rick, please? Yeah.
Sir, I think there was the lead that was running the lane who actually shoved and pushed him. It was Rick. I think one of your co-workers already like.
Okay. Can I get statements from her and from Rick? Yeah.
Take them in there. We'll have a car brought around.
Copy.
Got it.
Take them around to the straight down to the left.
For what? What's it
Down the
like?
hallway to the
See,
right.
I've been telling y'all. Yeah, say the same shit to y'all over and over. You ain't making no change for like.
I gave somebody a
191, let me know when you have the car coming around. Bring it to third floor by the office. Right here, just put him on the wall. Just put him in the office now. Let him sit down for a second.
Here, let's search him one more time.
Yep.
No, I don't have anything, bro. Let me sit down.
Dude.
I'm some weak ass shit.
Hey, it's over.
It's not.
over.
You gotta get home. Yeah, I know I missed that strike. I ain't get on that shit. I ain't got no way to go. You know about me. Yeah, let me.
Do you have his ID?
Yes, sir.
Can we run him real quick? What's your first name, sir?
It's on my ID, sir.
I know it's there. I'm just trying to treat you with respect. I'd appreciate the same back from you, sir. I'm just trying to figure out what, I came late, so I'm trying to figure out what happened.
It almost looked like a.
That's all right. Talk to me. What happened today with you?
I can almost miss my flight. I ain't got nowhere to go.
So what happened? What caused all this
I'm
craziness?
trying to get to the front so I can make it to my
So
flight.
this was all about you just trying to get to the front of the line?
Yes, it is.
So talk to me. What happened?
They act like they don't want to let me
Who
in.
is
I
they?
get
The
to get home.
So this all happened because you tried to get to the front of the line?
Yes.
Okay. So did you hit somebody?
No, I didn't. I didn't harm anybody. They grabbed me.
You gentlemen good?
We're good. Appreciate it. We're good. Thank you.
Appreciate you guys.
No, appreciate you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Did you have any other property that we need to be aware of?
I got your wallet, and I got your cell phone. Any book bags, any fanny packs, anything like that?
Okay. Where were you trying to head off to today?
I go to Memphis.
Memphis? Are you out on bond, probation, anything like that? Have you ever been arrested for anything? Okay, good stuff. All of this for trying to get there any faster? Was your plane going to be, were you going to miss the plane or something?
Yes, I can miss my.
What time was your flight?
It's on my phone. It's almost 7 o'clock.
It is almost 7 o'clock.
Exactly.
It is almost 7.
Long as I'm right,
But for you to act like this and have to go put us through all of this, what was that over? What, for
What's
nothing?
gonna happen? If I didn't do that, I'm gonna walk off, go somewhere, and be stranded here, and live here.
No, nobody was trying to strand you here, sir. That was
When
not our
I told
intention.
him I need to get to the front, it made seem like he won't let me through.
Did you not talk to like a supervisor or something like that? Let them know?
He is a person that's standing right there, bro.
Okay. All right, I'm asking you. I wasn't there.
He didn't know.
I'm asking you. I wasn't there. I was trying to work this out so it didn't get to this level. Let me know what you got as far as this history goes and get him out of here.
Sammy?
Sir, how are you?
Good, man.
Apparently, this all started over. He's saying that he tried to make a flight, and that I guess he got into he tried to get to the front of the line. He tried to let them know he was trying to take a flight out, and I guess he got into an argument with one of the TSA. Am I understanding that correctly?
I don't know what he is, but yeah.
Okay, but one of the workers you had an argument with, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what they have the cameras there. They'll pull the cameers as far as it goes. They were saying that were you guys actually fighting?
I ain't fighting.
Something was going on with him in TSA when I first came. They were coming
pushed
back
me
and forth.
like
There was some sort of confrontation.
Yeah. When I got there, he was already on the ground, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we didn't know if he was bypassing security, or at that point they were saying he didn't go through security, and he was trying to force his way through.
Okay. But he says he has a ticket on his phone.
I got my ticket in my hand.
Okay. All right. So the whole thing was that you were just trying to get up there to make your flight, and it's got it, and then it escalated from there.
Yeah.
Is that what I'm getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you understand my point is you got all these officers there trying to get you to cooperate with them, and you're acting all.
Grabbing me hard. I'm sitting down. I'm calm like, all right, but you ain't got to start touching. He touched me.
Who is he?
The first dude in the blue shirt.
The blue shirt?
That's who
Okay.
first started pushing on me. Like, why you don't do that? I don't care who you is, but don't start putting your hands on me.
Okay.
Just my 2 cents. The reason why they do that.
I'm saying he won't want me pushing on him, right?
Of course not.
You don't push on me.
We can't have anybody skip lines. It's a security issue.
He told them not to let me through. I made it to security. He told them not to let me through. Now I can't let you through. Nah, bro, I'm not gonna miss my flight for y'all. When nobody gonna offer a home for me to sleep in.
So we're gonna escort him out in a minute. What do you got? Okay. We're just waiting to see if he's got any warrants or anything. Okay. Where's he at? Ladies, gentlemen, Sergeant Stites, how you guys doing? So who actually had the issue with him? All right, you probably said this already before, but help me understand exactly what happened.
So I'm working the queue out front.
Okay.
He comes by and he's like, he just tried to walk through. I said, sir, you can't do that. You got to go wait in line. He goes, I'm not
Did
making.
he go around the screening area? That's what you're saying?
No. First, he came through the middle
Okay.
of the two queues.
He came up the middle of the two queues while everybody was standing on each side.
Everybody
Okay, I'm
in
with you.
line. So I told him, you can't do that. You got to go wait in line.
Okay.
He's like, fuck that. I'm not going to miss my flight. So then I watched him, and he bypassed everybody. He's just going across right to the front. And I went up to say, yo, you can't do that. He said, you ain't going to pay for me to stay, whatever.
Okay.
I'm not missing my flight. And then I was like, you can't do that. So when he got to TDC, I told my guy, I said, don't scan him, don't do anything. And that's when I called for OPD and soup.
Okay.
And he was like, and he just walked by.
Now, when you say he walked by, you mean like he was trying to make his way to the tram, or was he going back the other way?
He was walking by the first part of the checkpoint.
Okay.
Where they check your ticket.
Where they check your ticket.
So we walked by there, and he kept going. I said, yo, you can't do that. That's why I called him second time for OPD and supervisor.
Heading towards the metal detector.
Right. He was heading towards the MAG and the AIT. So then, I don't know how the side gate got open.
I opened it for an officer that was coming through, and then he tried to come through, and I don't let him through, so I tried to close on it. He pushed it, he forced his way through.
Did he actually pass to go through?
He actually passed and went through, so that's when I called breach. That's when I called.
And then I jumped in and held him back.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know what his intent was.
When you said he passed through, that's where he was with the metal detector at that point, right in that area?
The side door.
The side door, which is the ADA gate.
Yeah, I'll call.
Okay.
So you had the MAG, the side door, and then
So how did he get back to where the metal detectors were? Where we
because
actually
he
came
came
back?
through the side.
Because he came through the side.
He pushed his way in, and
Okay.
that's why I held him from going any further.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did he strike you? Were you hit? Were you,
No.
Okay.
No.
Did you guys strike him?
No.
Okay.
I just pushed him.
You just pushed him back?
Just held him there. That was it.
Okay. And what was he doing at that point?
Push him back.
Okay. All right. I'm just trying to understand the whole thing, how it all went, because like I said, I got there late. So we're going to pull the cameras and all that
So
other
then
stuff.
everybody, that's when all the
OPDs came and got him,
and then
right?
they started fighting with them.
But he didn't strike you or hit you at this point?
No.
He just tried to force his way through to make his flight. And that's pretty much what he told me in there. He said, there's other ways of doing this than what I explained to him. I said, you could have talked to the supervisor and let him know, hey, my flight is at. And usually you guys are pretty good about trying to get those guys through. So I don't know why he went the levels he did, but yeah, or rebook, but usually you guys are pretty good about taking care of, the people. So as long as you're not injured, that's it. Just write down what you told us in there, that he forced his way through. You guys prevented him
Like I
from
said,
going through.
I don't remember how that side door opened. I guess he opened it, and that's when he went in, and that's when I stopped him and held him back.
The side door is the one that bypasses that.
Right.
Yeah.
But he passed a bunch of other passengers that were actually getting screening, correct?
Yeah.
No,
Where he didn't get
passed
screened at
everybody
any
waiting.
point at this point,
He was
right?
He passed everybody waiting in line, and
Correct.
then whoever.
And that's what I'm trying to get at. He didn't get screened himself at that point, correct?
Not at all.
Okay. All right, gentlemen. Just make sure you guys write all of that out for me, okay? You guys got all of that?
So.
Y'all must gonna take me home or something.
I'm sorry?
Y'all must gonna take me home or something.
No, you're under arrest.
Get the home, cuz now. Like I said, I gotta get home.
All right, man.
Who's supposed to go ahead?
Well, cuz.
We'll worry about the cuffs in a second. Get the sound. There's no wheels. Come on, Tyler.
You
Tyler.
might as well carry me. I don't care how they say
Tyler, you're gonna do that. You're gonna catch another. Hold
I
on.
don't give a cuz. I need to go home. Put
Listen.
the camera on, cuz.
It's resist.
Camera's on.
Cuz.
Tyler, listen to me. You're a grown man.
And I am.
You acted like a
And
grown man when me and you spoke.
I don't care. I don't care, cuz. Like I said, I need to get home. I ain't worried about nothing else. Y'all made the issue. If y'all would have let me through, I would have been on the plane. Home.
How old are you?
Fuck, I'm 20.
All right.
The longer we take, the longer it'll take for you to get out.
I don't care. I'm still gonna get home. I'm gonna sleep at night. I'm gonna sleep in no jail. Fuck.
You're under arrest.
You
If you
under
do
arrest.
not
For living
walk, you
here.
continue
Y'all
with
know
the
how to
resisting.
live. Create a whole new system. We all should just die and God should redo this
We'll
shit.
take them. Just be in front of us with the
Y'all
door.
crazy as hell.
Give me your bag. Give me your stuff. Put your arms under. and
Yep.
wear the
I might as well carry me out there like a tombstone. Don't care no more. I'm not resisting the rest no more.
Yes, you are. You're still
No, I'm
resisting.
not. I don't care.
By not walking.
Let's go. I don't care, cuz. Y'all better be strong as hell, yes. I'm gonna act like a little ass child, like y'all wanna lock me up or some shit. Yes, it is. I'm a prisoner. That's what I don't get no.
It hurts. You don't walk.
Why?
All right. So it still doesn't hurt. You can walk at any moment.
Y'all like brutes.
No, you're acting immature.
No, y'all acting like punk ass people. And I'm just a bad person. I wanna get home.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Doesn't hurt.
It is hurt.
Then walk like a human being.
nigga, I don't want to walk with y'all with your arm under my shit like that. That shit hurt already.
Yes, because you're
Exactly.
your whole body weight.
Anyway, I can't. This ain't how adults walk. I want to
Put him right at the hood. Search him.
I don't have nothing. I'm telling y'all. Y'all searching me now. Bro, stop. This shit hurt my arm. Y'all that's crazy. Right, another reason they got an attitude with y'all. Hell, I got around somebody. Now you gonna arrest somebody who actually did some shit. Stop touching me. Bro, what is up with you? Ain't shit on me? What is y'all job? Come on, man. Y'all ain't got shit else to do with y'all lives. Ain't shit in y'all brain but to do some shit somebody else told y'all. Y'all that lost in the don't got no soul for real. You can tell. Ain't no piece of God in y'all. Y'all whole ass people. They like a bunch of rich out here killing folks here, bro.
This analysis applies federal statute and constitutional law, not sympathy, to evaluate every party's conduct. The controlling statute is 49 U.S.C. paragraph 46503. Physical interference with TSA screening personnel constitutes a federal criminal offense. 49 CFR 105 prohibits entry into any sterile airport area without completing required screening, no exceptions, regardless of intent. A valid boarding pass grants access to the flight, not to the checkpoint itself. The screening obligation is independent of ticket possession. Administrative Search Doctrine, United States Davis, 9th Seer, 1973, waives standard Fourth Amendment warrant requirements at airport checkpoints. Entering a checkpoint zone implies consent to screening. Bypassing that process removes Fourth Amendment protection from the subsequent detention. When the subject forced through a controlled access side gate without screening, the paragraph 46503 violation was complete. Intent to harm is not required. Graham v. Connor, 1989. Reasonableness of force is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. 3 Graham factors were present: severity of the offense, active resistance, and unconfirmed weapon status following the security breach. The subject had not been screened. Officers could not confirm he was unarmed. This fact elevates the threat level under Graham analysis. Officers escalated appropriately. Verbal commands, soft control, hard control, then a taser request. No closed fist strikes were documented. Officers verbally warned the subject before escalating force, a procedural requirement prior to applying additional physical control techniques. No Miranda advisement is documented before substantive questioning began. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires advisement at custodial interrogation. Custody likely attached at handcuffing. Any post-custody statements made without advisement face potential suppression in subsequent proceedings. A search incident to arrest was conducted under Chimmel, California, 1969, authorizing search of the area within the arrestee's immediate control. Search confirmed no weapons or contraband. This is relevant to proportionality, but does not negate the completed federal breach offense. California Penal Code 148A1. Willful obstruction of a peace officer creates a charge separate from and independent of the security breach. Under California law, disagreement with an arrest does not justify resistance. The legal remedy for an unlawful arrest is judicial, not physical. TSA transportation security officers are not sworn peace officers. Their authority is administrative, legally limited to screening functions. Physical contact by TSA personnel before law enforcement arrived may exceed their scope of authority, raising a separate use of force question. TSA workers receive a B-. Calling law enforcement rather than attempting unauthorized detainment was legally and procedurally correct. However, premature physical contact by TSA personnel before law enforcement arrived may exceed administrative authority under federal guidelines. OPD officers receive a B. The restraint was proportionate and coordinated. Hospital transport following physical contact reflected proper protocol. First deduction. One officer stated, "You wanted to act up. This is what you get." This is unprofessional and creates civil liability exposure. Second deduction. Absence of a Miranda advisement before substantive questioning is a procedural gap that weakens any resulting prosecution. The subject receives a D. No prior record, no weapons, no documented strikes against officers, but 3 compounding violations occurred. First, security breach under 49 U.S.C.C. 46503, complete upon forcing through the unscreened side gate, regardless of stated motivation. Second, resisting arrest under California Penal Code, Prov 148A1. The multi-officer takedown was a direct legal consequence of non-compliance. Third, refusal to walk after formal arrest notification, a separate act of obstruction under 148A1, independent of the initial breach. The law does not assess motivation when the prohibited act is clearly defined. Sympathy is relevant to sentencing, not to criminal liability. Lesson 1. A passenger facing flight urgency should engage a TSA supervisor, not force entry through a controlled federal security gate. Lesson 2. TSA personnel must distinguish administrative screening authority from physical detainment. The latter requires sworn law enforcement. Lesson 3. Miranda advisements must be issued at the moment custody attaches, not after substantive questioning has already begun. Lesson 4. One unprofessional statement on camera can undermine otherwise lawful conduct in both court and public accountability. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.